Hey. Let's go on this thingy. Hey, you want to go on this thingy?
Sure.
Okay.
I want to go on it. Turn it. Yeah.
Come on, man. All right. Like, nothing bad's gonna happen, right?
I don't think so.
No. Look it, guys. I'm getting wet.
So romantic.
Yes. I made you the cake. Here you go. No bite cake.
This is so awesome.
What? Really? When we're here, we did not get wet? That's so not fair.
Bless you.
So not fair. I found a cake. I'm lucky. I'm famous. You also. No.
Excuse me, that cake belongs to someone.
What waterfall is this called? I mean, yeah, what waterfall is it called?
Uh-oh. Where is Rachel?
Where's Rachel?
It's my roommate.
I don't know, maybe. Yeah, I'm pretty sure.
Yeah,
Let's
they
go see.
should be over here.
Maybe they're swimming. They might go for a swim.
Come on. They should be. Maybe they're on a boat or something. A random stranger.
Should we go on a boat?
Sure.
Okay, I'm gonna get off now. Oh, it stops. It listens. Okay, bye, weird boat. Oh my. Can I say I'm gonna have nightmares? Do you see them? I see something at the bottom.
All right, on 3. 1,
What?
2,
Wait, what?
3.